In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete customer in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so you can safely remove a customer record from your account. Before we begin, a quick word of context. Deleting a customer permanently removes that contact from your active customer list. If there are transactions tied to the customer, like estimates, invoices, payments, or credit notes, Zoho Books may block the deletion until those links are resolved. That's normal. The goal here is to show you the correct path to delete a customer when it's allowed, and help you understand the prompts you might see along the way. Start from the Zoho Books homepage. After you sign in, you'll land on the dashboard, which summarizes your receivables and recent activity. From here, look to the main navigation on the left side of the screen. Find the Sales section. This is where Zoho Books groups everything related to customers, invoices, and sales activity, so it's the logical place to manage customer records. Click Sales to expand its options, then choose Customers. This opens the customer list view. You'll see your active customers organized in a table, typically with columns like name, email, and outstanding balance. If you have a long list, you can scroll or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the specific customer you intend to remove. Take a moment to verify you're looking at the correct record. Deleting the wrong contact can create extra cleanup work later. Once you've located the right customer, move your mouse over that row. Hovering on the row helps reveal selection controls and available actions without cluttering the screen. When the checkbox appears beside the customer's name, click it. Selecting the checkbox tells Zoho Books you want to take action on that specific record. If you manage multiple contacts, you'll notice that you can select more than one at a time. But in this walkthrough, we're focusing on removing a single customer to keep things clear and deliberate. After you've checked the box, look for the delete option that appears in the toolbar or action area above the list. Click Delete. Zoho Books won't remove the customer instantly. It will first open a confirmation prompt. This is an important safeguard that ensures you're intentionally deleting the correct contact. Read the confirmation message carefully. If the customer has linked transactions, you may see a note that the contact cannot be deleted until those are addressed. If that happens, simply close the prompt and resolve any open invoices or other links later. If there are no blocking links, go ahead and confirm the deletion by clicking Delete again in the confirmation window. Once confirmed, Zoho Books removes the customer from your active list. You can verify this by checking that the name no longer appears in the customer's view. If you ever need that contact again, you can recreate it as a new customer using the same details you had before. Keep in mind that deleting a customer does not retroactively change finalized documents. It only removes the contact record from your customer list going forward. A few quick tips to wrap up. Make sure you have the right level of user permission to manage contacts. If you don't see the delete option, your organization's admin may need to adjust your role. If your accounting process requires an audit trail, consider exporting your customers list before making bulk changes so you have a snapshot for reference. And always double check for open invoices or payments tied to the customer, because those are the most common reasons deletion is restricted. That's it. You've seen how to get to the customers page from the Zoho Books homepage, select the right record, and confirm the removal with the delete action. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher while you work.